I've had 5 different people message me about Clawdbot, which is now called Boltbot. And here's my hot take. It actually is useless for 99% of people, because I've known many people in the past decade who have hired assistants, whether they're in-person assistants or remote virtual assistants, and they didn't know what work to give them. It's not like all of a sudden that you have a digital employee or digital assistant that you could text via Telegram or just send some instruction to it and then it can do anything on your computer, that you're going to be much more productive or that it's going to get things done properly for you. In order to actually have useful employees, whether they're human or Clawdbot, Moltbot, whatever you want to call it now, you need to have tasks for it to do. You need to have standard operating procedures, and you need to have a task list, which means you as the business owner or even an employee, you have to be organized, right? So I'm seeing people who are saying like, oh my God, this can do so many things for me. Guess what? You could also do so many things for yourself with AI and with your computer over the last few years and even the last decade, and you weren't doing it. So it's like going, to a gym and they say, we will give you a personal 24/7 trainer, and now you'll have 6-pack abs. It's like, that's not the case. If you weren't going to the gym regularly before, and now all of a sudden you think because this gym is offering you the best, Olympic trainers, you're not going to become, Usain Bolt and Michael Phelps and Michael Jordan and all these different things. Like, you have had this opportunity this entire time. Clawdbot, Moltbot, AI is not going to change how you as a person function unless you're already at the level where you have human assistants and you want to replace them or you want to add on top of that. Great. But do not message me and do not follow the hype of like, Clawdbot is going to change my life. It's not. Otherwise, you would have hired an assistant for $6 an hour or $10 an hour in the Philippines or in Vietnam or in Latin America by now, and you haven't because you have not yet figured out how and where to implement an assistant of human or virtual digital kind at all. That's my hot take. Let me know what you think, but I'm gonna die on that hill.